Hey guys, G here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today I'm coming up close and personal to you, just because I have a quick video. I just want to let you guys know about the things, and I feel like it's easier if I'm just kind of cohesive across platforms. So last night, today, I don't know what day I uploaded it, but I uploaded a Reels and a video, or no, Reels is a video, what? I uploaded a Reels and a photo of these lashes. So Blushberry Beauty hooked your girl up, and she sent me, how do I know it's a she? Wow. What's happening to me today? Blushberry sent me a pair of magnetic lashes. This is their Like a Baddie pair. And their magnetic liner.
Can you say magnetic?
So I just wanted to post on YouTube to let you guys know it's there. There's a discount code involved, Natt Green 10 or whatever. So I did want to post it on here so that in case you missed my Instagram post or don't follow me on Instagram but you're subscribed to me here, you still get an opportunity to get these magnetic lashes. So here's the tea with magnetic lashes, because first of all, I'm gonna take them off and be real. They are trickery. And I mean, like, you can't see it now because I put mascara on, but there's just like little magnets. There's like little magnets legit on it that attach to the liner. So if you want a more dramatic wing, I recommend not using this as a liner. Use this just like a glue. Put this where you want the lash to go. If you want a dramatic wing, use an actual liquid liner, only because these will start getting caught everywhere. You do want to make sure that you're using enough that these actually will stick, because if the line that you're putting on your eye is not thick enough, these bad boys will not stick. It's just that simple. But like, to put them on is like no effort. You can put them on, take them off. That's why I like them. Like, I'm actually like really impressed with them. The magnetic lash is the type of thing that I was never gonna buy myself. I always said, if someone wants to send them to me, I will definitely try them out and give them a fair review. But I just didn't see the appeal because I can apply lashes myself. However, now that I've tried them, I definitely understand, especially because, like, first of all, it's way more comfortable than a glued lash. Second of all, oh, my track is showing. First of all, it's way more comfortable than, is it still showing? Second of all, it's just easier. Like, I can put them on, take them off. Like, that to me already says comfort, and you guys know my good comfort. Like, I like that. Like, I need, there's something about accessibility that I just love in life. Like, I love not having to worry about things. So to me, this is like a win, and I got a promo code, and you guys get a promo code to save some money. So I feel like we're all winning here. Like, I'm just confused as to what the downside is. Well, this really isn't going to be a long video. Like, that's literally it. Like, they're so easy to apply that the video is basically done. Like, that's literally. Do we have anything else to talk about? Anything? Anything at all? No? Nobody? Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I did today. And as always, subscribe to me. You pay my bills, right? Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.